surprising. So let's open it. Ooh, here's a toy. How come it fell down? It's a ring. I have to do this. Too hard. Oh, and we also got some chocolate. I need that spoon over there. Yes.
Swallow, Mimi.
Huh? Look at my hand. Bye-bye.